A new day, a new project. I feel like it's time for checking what was wrong with this solar charge controller supposedly designated for charging lithium-ion batteries. It was suddenly smelling like burnt, and suddenly there was no more current. The batteries was overcharged, like voltage first of all, and everything was really getting hot. It's time to check what went wrong. I suspect a MOSFET because the heatsink, it's very small. That's not a heatsink, this is a joke. And that's why I'm thinking about having a proper heatsink afterwards. Of course, the first test is to see if we have something in short. So these are the, I think these are the MOSFETs for charging the battery. We are good here, yes. These are the MOSFETs from the solar panel, clearly short. I think this is drain to source, a very clear short. That's funny, not anymore. Okay, this is very interesting. So it was short a few moments ago and not anymore. But this one obviously went really hot. I can see even the thermal paste, it's burned. Look there, this one up there. So let's take this out. And of course, flux, it's the best friend ever. Okay, so we have the MOSFETs out from the charger. Let's see what's happening over here. It's good. This is good. Everything looks good here. But now, let me test these bad boys. And for that, I'm gonna use this little tester. Okay, so let's measure this MOSFET transistor. That's hash Y1707 and nothing. Yeah, this is damaged for sure. Oh, this one is still working. So we have an N MOSFET. Yes, this is good. This is still alive, but this one is gone. So I think that was related to overheating. That's not a heatsink like I said before, so it's just a joke. This one is gone. So now I have to find a replacement, another N MOSFET. What we got here, let's see. N MOSFET, that should be okay. So this is an IRFZ14N. For now, I have to put this back and give a test as soon as the sun is back. Okay, so we are done here, but I have to check the other side to see what's happening, if everything's okay. Not bad, but not good either. Everything's okay for now. Let me see. And that's the diode. Perfect. Yes, we're gonna give another try as soon as the sun is coming up. But like I said before, I'm pretty sure the problem was the heatsink and not enough thermal dissipation, not enough cooling. But for now the problem is solved, hopefully. And now it's time to have a proper heatsink and a better heat dissipation. So that's why I did one of these aluminum backs instead of the old iron stuff. It needs a little bit of adjustment. Okay, so there we go. This is much better, and it's aluminum. Now we have to do something else. We have to do this kind of thermal isolation to the MOSFETs, and of course I'm gonna use some thermal paste. That's a need. that one here, and I have to, let me see, yeah, perfect. Now let's have some thermal paste on top, and let's put the screws back. Okay, so this is aluminium, and this one will be much more thermal conduction, I may say. Well, and if it's really necessary, I'm gonna have one of these fans somewhere. There we are. And also this little fan have a temperature sensor over here, so it will start only if a certain temperature is sensed. Like this. This one will stay there somehow. I think that's okay for now. All I have to do is to wait for another sunny day. Let's check out if it's still working. This is plus and this is minus. Okay, plus. It's working. 11 volts. Thank you for now, and I'll be back with some other projects. And don't forget to have fun. Bye bye.